Hello students, let us continue our topic of linear equations in two variables. Today we will solve some examples of exercise 4.1 and then we try to solve exercise 4.1. Now, previously we have learned that any equation which can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0 is called a linear equation in two variables. That we have learned in our previous class. So, just you think many such type of equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Just you think and take some time. On the basis of that, we will solve some examples. Now look here. Here our question is, write each of the following equations in the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. Now see, don't you think that ma'am is asking a funny thing, that now directly we can see what is the value of a, b and c, even though first thing is that you should recognize here that what is the value of a, b and c. Now look here very carefully. Here our variable is x and y. If you are seeing a, b and c, don't get confused. That's why just it is an example that whether you are able to recognize or not that which one is variable and which one is coefficient. Now see the first example here. 2x plus 3y is equals to 4.37 and another one is x minus 4 is equals to root 3y. In this, what we have to do? In this, we have to recognize what is a, b and c. Don't you think it is a very funny thing? Even though here our question is write in the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Is that okay? So here this equation can also be written as how? 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 is equals to 0. Is that okay? Now here we will write a is equals to 2, b is equals to 3 and c is equals to minus 4.37. Similarly, you people tell how this we can write. X minus 4 is equals to root 3y, but we know the pattern, that our pattern is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So let us arrange this in that way. Okay, so let us arrange. Here is x minus 4, so x will be as it is. Now y, so here can we bring this y here? That will not make any difference. So this will becomes minus root 3y and minus 4 will be as it is equals to 0. So here a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus root 3 and c is equals to minus 4. Is that okay? I don't think you will have any problem in this. Now see. Here, after knowing a, b and c, now what we have to do? We have to write the equation by ourselves only. Now we have to write the equation. Now see here, our question is write each of the following as an equation in two variables. Here only one variable is given and we have to write the equation. Now see, here x is equals to minus 5. So how we can write? We can write x minus 5 can be written as, now see, how we can write? First we have to arrange. So here if we will multiply the value of x with 1, then there will not be any problem. 1 into x plus 0 into y is equals to minus 5. Ax plus by is equals to c, or you can see that will be minus c, because ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So here already it is written, so we can write ax plus by is equals to minus c. So this can be written as 1 into x plus 0 into y plus 5 is equals to 0. Second one, y is equals to 2 can be written as, how we can write? Here x is not given, so let us write 0 into x plus 1 into y is equals to 2. So 0 into x plus 1 into y minus 2 is equals to 0. Don't you think it's very easy? Now you try to solve some other examples of this type also. Now look here. Here 2x is equals to 3 can be written as how? 2x plus 0 into y minus 3 is equals to 0. So this is the Other example, on the basis of this, let us solve exercise 4.1 question number 1. Our question is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Here we have to write it in the form of linear equation in two variables. So our question is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. See, in such type of questions you have to read the question twice. Here it is given, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So we have to write it in the form of a linear equation in two variables. So just you assume, let the cost of a notebook and a pen be x and y. Notebook you take it x and pen y respectively. Now according to question it is given, cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. So what? Cost of notebook. So we will write x is equals to 2y, because 2 into cost of pen, and pen we have considered as what? Y. So here x is equals to 2y. So we can write x minus 2y is equals to 0. In that way we can write the linear equation in two variables. Now see students, question number 2. You have to recognize the value of a, b and c, and you have to write in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Please you try question number 2 by yourself, and in the next class I will tell you how we will find the solution of linear equation. This much for today class. Have a good day.